Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT on Windows. So one thing I'm going to tell you that you cannot download the ChatGPT onto your laptop, but there is a workaround through which you can pin your ChatGPT to your taskbar for an easy access. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC and open ChatGPT. Now, after you log into your ChatGPT's account, you'll have to simply click on this three-dotted icon at the top right of the screen on your browser. Then click on More Tools and you will see two options appearing that says Pin to Taskbar and Pin to Start. So we'll click on Pin to Taskbar and we'll see a notification asking, would you like to pin ChatGPT to your taskbar? Click on Yes and ChatGPT will be pinned on your taskbar. Now I'm going to cut this out, and as you can see, ChatGPT is in my taskbar. Whenever I'm going to click on it, it is going to open up ChatGPT instantly. So that's the simple way you can download ChatGPT on laptop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.